Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope everybody's having a great week. All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install KVM, QEMU, and Virtual Machine Manager on Fedora 44 Workstation. And you know, my last few videos have been on Fedora 44, so I'm going to quit saying that. So by the end of this video, we will have a fully functional virtualization environment where we can install Windows, BSD, any flavor of Linux, pretty much anything you want to install, maybe even Mac OS if you wanted to do that, at near native performance. So whether you're building a Homelab, schoolwork, testing, or just wanting to learn it, we're going to show you how to do it, and Fedora makes it easy. So let's jump down on the desktop and we'll make it happen. All right, so before we start installing packages, let's talk about that real quick. KVM, which stands for kernel-based virtual machine, built directly on the Linux kernel. It transforms your computer into a Type 1 hypervisor, allowing multiple virtual machines to run efficiently using your processor's hardware virtualization features. QEMU provides the virtual hardware that those operating systems see, while Libvirt manages everything behind the scenes. Finally, Virtual Machine Manager, also known as Virt Manager, gives us a simple graphical interface for creating and managing those virtual machines. Together, these tools make Fedora one of the best operating systems for your desktop and virtualization. And what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that our computer, make this bigger, make sure that our computer is going to be able to handle virtualization. All these commands will be in the description. We're going to grep this thing to see if it's good. And we're using VT-X. You'll see AMD-V or VT-X, whether it be Intel or AMD. Looks like we're ready. So I'm going to update my system real quick. Nothing to do. All right, now this one line will install everything. This installs Virt Manager, QEMU, KVM, and Libvirt. Okay, now we're going to enable the service. We're going to verify that it's running. Okay, looks like everything good. Now we're going to add our user to the Libvirt group. Let's say it the right way. All right. Now you can either log out and log back in, or you can do this right here. Now we're going to make sure that our KVM is working. We're going to check and make sure that the modules are loaded. Looks like they are. We have no virtual machines running, no errors. So now what we want to do is go down to our application launcher. You'll see we have the Virtual Machine Manager. We'll crank it up. And you see there's no errors and it says QEMU KVM. That means we're ready to go. So now we can go up to the File, New Virtual Machine, and we can create a new virtual machine right here. So there you have it. We have a complete KVM QEMU virtualization setup right now. It took 5 minutes and it's free. Like pretty much everything you do in Linux now, it's free. Really enjoy using it. Anyway, if y'all like this video and got something out of it, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, hit that bell to be notified when I make another video. And I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're having a great day, great week. And like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching.